Kiosk. Hello guys, maglalaro tayo ng kiosk. Yung magaluto ka, pero horror game. Kiosk. Day 1. Dito tayo gagawa ng mga cake. Robot. The rebooting of my cellphone. Saan yun? Hello? Ay. Hindi ka mabasa? Hey kid. It's Michael Jordan. Just wanted to say good luck on your first day here. Last guy didn't last very long, but I hope you will. He's been acting a bit strange lately. Until he just stopped showing up. Namatay yun. I didn't hear from him here again. He even has some notes on the walls. Just ignore them. But if you need help with any recipe, you can check it out in our cookbook on the table. And if you need any ingredient, there is always more in the storage room. We close at 12. Don't forget to lock to. Wait lang, using a set. Wow, it's so amazing. Daw po ate, ano pong gusto niyong bilhin? Prep, wala pa kami tinitinda nandito. Hindi ko mabasa. Hey, didn't see you around here. You must be the new guy. I don't usually go around at night like this, but I'm hungry. Can I get one hot dog? Yung malaki, yung maliit. Hot dog. Saan ako makakuha ng hot dog? Ito. Hindi man to hot dog, sausage to. Ito hot dog. Tapos, throw o drop. Oh, sayang yung hotdog! Ay, walang yan, mali. Naloko yata ako ng hotdog na to. Sige, lutuin natin yan nahulog sa lupa. Nice. Nagawa tayo ng buns. Gusto yata ni ate may sausage, ay may hotdog. 3 point. Isum natin yun. Grabe ba? Ang ganda ng hotdog. Grabe. Ate, yung sunog mong hotdog. Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Here, keep the change. Kaya ba tayo ring?
A few moments later.
May tin. Hey man. Give me a burger with cheese. Burger with cheese. Burger. Burger. Nasaan yung kutsilyo? Kaya ba ito lutuin? Hindi. Ba't parang may naghahinga dito? Ba't kasi ang unti ng ilaw nila? Tinatakot nila yung mga worker nila dito eh. Ako magtalaga. Ba't ko binato? Da shit man. Toothbrush ka naman pag maghahinga. Baho. Then with chest watching your lips. I really like you more than the other guy. Here you go.
A few moments later.
Hello? Ay, bulag. Ano daw? Ay, walang yan. Baha burger hotdog. Burger. Ay, hi. Oh! 3 point. Yan. Yan na ba? Ang daming ketchup na ginamit. Ay, oh. Kaya, ngayon yung burger. Thanks, man. You're the best. You did a great job. Wait. Bakit? Who's that ba? Kuya, wag ka magjo-joke ng ganyan. Anong who's that behind you? Bawal yan, kuya. Tinatakot. Huwag mo ano yan. Buang talaga. Sanggala, saan yun? Sanggala. Ayop ka. Ayop ka. Pustahan pagtalikod ko, aking kapatid na minamahal. May jump scare. Lawas ko na kutsilyo ko. Tatagayin kita, tatagayin talaga kita. Ayusin mo. Lalaki ba to? Ate ay lalaki. Ano gusto mo? I love the smell of rain. Smell of rain, hotdog. Buti hotdog. Wala na kasi kaming burger. 3 point. Ay, hype na ketchup. Litos. Ito na ilalagay ka ba yan? Paano ba to? Ang bala yan. Saan yung kutsilyo ko? Iwa man din. Automatic!
Wow.
Tapos soda. Hey, can I ask you something? Sure. Aren't you scared? Takot ako dito magtrabaho na mag-isa. Hindi ka alam kung ano nangyari. What happened to him? You don't know? No. He was my friend and things were good. But then one day, he became paranoid. Ako paranoid na. Huwag na natin yung basahin. Lapit dito ang magapang takot. Lapit. Isa-isa nga lang, wag lahat. Ba't ka nakangiti? Hey there. Oh shit, di ko mabasa. Aroy, kadami! Package. Ay, hype ka. Ba't may litos? Ha? Ay, cheese! Akala ko ano? Yeah. Mabusan tayo ng mini boss. Dami kasing arte ng lalaki na to. Di na lang niya. May cheese pa ba? Wala na kaming cheese. Yan, thank you. Hotdog, lettuce, mustard. Hotdog, lettuce, ketchup. Aroy, green na siya, men. Gusto mo nito? Yan, nabinta na natin yung buang. Okay na baga kami, guys. Meron pa. Hey, do you like animals? I've always found them interesting. Are you a dog person? I'm a gay person. Beer. Burger. Dalawang burger. Wala na kaming burger. Aroy, isa na lang ang burger namin. Mag-restock muna kami, boss. Palamagin natin dyan. May hayop ka. Restock. Restock, gods. Ay, ha. Pwede ba drop lang? Ay, puti. Yan, tapos nasa yung kanina ito. Tanggal ha! Ay, beer pala. Beer, boss. Ano kami cheese yan eh. Oo, nga. Sorry sir, wait lang. 3 point. Ganyan nga ngayon guys magluto ng mga burger. Yan o. Kita mo yan. Pati ako nagugutom pag ganyan ang luto. Ano yan? Mustard ketchup. Busan ba kami ng ketchup? Ah. Burger, cheese, and lettuce. 3 points. Saan yun? Nawala! Napastirabor lasang bakal. Burger. Hamburger. Cheese and lettuce. Cheese. Lettuce. Ano to? Type ka, wala pala. Ibata natin sa may tilos. Oh, wag kamulog. Okay, ito na lang nahulog boss ng iyo. Ah. Thank you so much. See you around. Dami na nating pera ngayon, guys. Pero madami rin tayong utang. See you guys in the next video. Day 2.